I'm Dusty Fryer. I chose Don's because it's closer to my house, a lot easier to come and get everything done rather than go somewhere out of town. Prices are unbeatable, and you feel more than a customer over here. You feel more like you're part of the Don's family.
What's up, dude?
What's going on, man? You ready to do this?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go check it out. This will be the new truck design right here for you. Got the guys at Strictly Customs to hook you up with a pretty badass rendering. We're going with the 8-inch BDS coil-over setup, stacking a 2-inch leveling kit. Got the mirrors. We're waiting on headlights to arrive, correct?
Yeah, sure.
Grills in, ready to go to paint to match.
I'm gonna be doing a 10-inch lift on my 2013 Dodge Mega Cab. I'm gonna be doing 22x14 specialty forged wheels, 38-inch Toyos, and a lot of customizations done to it, paint on that lift, everything else, just trying to make it stand out and not just be like one of the other trucks on the road.
I think it's a good looking setup, man. Definitely nobody on the road will have anything like this. So when me and Dusty first sat down to talk about building his dream truck, it was very obvious at that point that he was a guy that wanted to go above and beyond to the next level with his build. So with being that said, we chose the BDS lift. On the rear of the truck, instead of putting blocks, he wanted to go with the full coil set. Gives you a little bit better of a quality of a ride, and he hauls a little bit with his truck from time to time, so that's going to be able to handle that. We got the sway bar disconnects. If he does want to do some posing and go off-road with his truck, you'll be able to disconnect. One of the biggest features of the truck we're building is these fully adjustable dampening system, coil-over with the piggyback Fox shocks. Optimal, you can tune it for the performance of your ride. You can adjust height. Very, very good quality. He also opted to go with the dual recoil track bar system. Not a lot of guys go that far, but he said he wanted to take it to the next level. Allows it fully adjustable. Keep your ride with axle wrap very minimal. Adjustable track bar on the front. Keep all the play out of the front end. So we got everything here. It's all ready to go. The next step will be sending this off to powder coat so we can get it to match the truck. And hopefully soon we'll get it back to continue to build.